Hello student, today we are going to see CBSE sample paper solution for term 1 exam, which is for MCQ. Okay, the question number 14 physics we are going to discuss. Okay, so this is a circuit, it is a resistance in a mixed way it is there. Okay, we need to find solution for this answer. Actually the answer is going to be 7.5 ohms. Okay, today I am going to discuss how answer is going to be 7.5 ohms. Okay. So it is for term 1 MCQ class 12 physics. Okay, it's CBSE term 1 exam MCQ physics. Okay, now we'll see how this circuit is modified like this. If you found this, easily you can get the answer. Okay, A, B. So two end A, B. So directly I made it. Okay. Now see here Q and S. Okay, just I marked the point. Okay, Q and S. It's connected with 3 ohms and 6 ohms. Okay, this is the point of S and this is the point of Q. Okay, and this two will be in a parallel. This two is a parallel. This is going to be 3 ohms and this is going to be 6 ohms. Okay, if you interchange it also, no problem, you will get the same answer. Okay. Next thing, I am taken the point of P here. Okay, so see here P. Okay, 3 wire is connected, 3 ohms, 6 ohms and 8 ohms. So 3 ohms, 6 ohms and this is going to be 8 ohms. Okay. The next point, this point I am taken as the R. Okay, R is connected with 8 ohms and 30 ohms, 8 ohms and this is going to be 30 ohms. Okay, Q is connected 6 and 30, 6 and 30. Okay, just I modified for our convenient. It is very easy to find the answer once you modified the circuit. Okay, this two in parallel. Okay, first you can find that two answer. Okay, 3 and 6 ohms. See here 3 ohms and this is 6 ohms. It is parallel. So 3 ohms, 6 ohms. Now what is the answer for this? 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 6. Common LCM, 2 numerator, 2 denominator. So 2 by 6 plus 1 by 6 is equal to 1 by Rp. What is the answer? 3 by 6. So 1 by Rp. So which is going to be 2 ohms. If you are flip the answer, that's going to be Rp answer. Rp is going to be 2 ohms. Okay. Now we got the Rp answer. Then what we have to do? We have to do with the next part of the circuit. Okay. Once only one part we simplified. This part alone we simplified. Now the together I got the answer of it is going to be 2 ohms. This is going to be 8 ohms. Okay. And it's connected with 30 ohms like this. This is 30 ohms. Okay, now this two in series, just you can add the both the resistance. If you are adding in series, you can write R1 plus R2. Okay, very simple. R1 plus R2, resistance in series. R1 is how much? It's 2 ohms. R2 is how much? 8 ohms. 2 plus 8, 6. 2 plus 8, 10. Okay, 10 ohms. So R in series I got. So this two answer I got as a 10. So now this is going to be 10 ohms and this is going to be 30 ohms. Okay, this is going to be 30 ohms. Now this two answer in parallel. So 1 by Rp, that's a net value 1 by 10 plus 1 by 30. Okay, so numerator 3, denominator 3. 3 by 30 plus 1 by 30 is equal to 1 divided by Rp. That will get 4 by 30. 4 by 30, 1 by Rp. Now what is Rp? So Rp is equal to 30 by 4. So this answer I will get as a 15 divided by 2. What is 15 divided by 2? 7.5 ohms. Okay. Thank you.